What is up, Giz Army? It is your girl LATRICE, and I am back at you again with another natural ass hair video. And today I'm completely stepping out of my comfort zone. Today you get some makeup. You get some makeup love featuring Black Radiance. So before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel and you want to see more of the beautiful LATRICE and everything I have to offer here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And while you're at it, go ahead and thumbs up this video. With that being said, I'm really just going to do an eyeshadow look, like my go-to, on-the-go, really quick eyeshadow look, and then I'm going to swatch their 2 HD sculptors that they sent me, okay? So if you want to see more of that, let's get right on into the video. Alright y'all, so we already have one eye done. As I said, this is like my go-to, so it's pretty quick, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the Black Radiance Perfecting Eyeshadow Primer. And what I'm going to do is just take a little bit, okay, on my finger. That's right. This is the amount we're going to do. We're just going to take it and dab it into our eye until it's completely absorbed. Take it on the eyelid and then a little bit above the lid. And what's really cool is that I can feel when it's absorbed, right? So that's something that I like. And you know, I think we're good right there. You know, I think we're good right there. So then you're gonna take a color that's essentially like your skin color. So this is the color I'm gonna use, right? So I just take that color and I'm gonna use it as my transition color. And we're just gonna take it and pat around. Put a little in the corner. And then what I do with this palette is I literally take like all of the whites. So I take, sorry, I take this one, this one, this one, and this one, and I just get a little bit of each. I don't know why, I just feel like that's what I gotta do. And so that's what I use, and then I put that on the lid, right? I'm gonna go back in and put a little bit more of the transition color in the corner. Then I'm gonna take me a big old blending brush, so to speak. I don't really know, but it's soft enough, I feel. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and use that and around the edge. Get it all blended out so it don't look all sharp. And then boom. So I normally don't do an eyeliner. Got that from my girl Jackie. For this video, sorry, I have the sparkling liquid eyeliner from Black Radiance. So I'm gonna bring y'all in, you know, bring y'all in a little bit because I ain't doing no wing. Okay, it's just gonna be a small little thing. Now that I got y'all in my face or whatever. Pay no attention to this, y'all. Apparently my eyes been watering, so I'll fix that off camera. But we're gonna use the Black Radiance Sparkling Liquid Eyeliner. Tip. We're gonna do a really simple little eyeliner. Okay, nothing too crazy. Boom. And just so y'all know, I did that with just one dip. So there you have it, fully covered tip for me. So that's all I'm using for my eye look as far as Black Radiance products goes. But what you can do is get your favorite lashes, you know, get you a little under eyeliner and mascara under your under eyelid, and your freaking eyeshadow look is bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eye, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna swatch. We gonna swatch, okay? And fix this thing. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I fixed my life. So now we're going to swatch the lipsticks, okay? They're called the Perfect Tone HD Lip Sculptor. I have the color Bad Girl. Reminds me of Riri, you know what I'm saying? Vibes all day. And then I have the color Femme Fatale. Femme Fatale, if you want to get real technical, real French like weedy, okay? So, Bad Girl is kind of like a purple color. I feel like it has like a purplish blue kind of tint to it, you know? So here is what that looks like, right? Excuse me. Then we have Femme Fatale, which kind of seems like a black, but I think it's actually gonna come out like green maybe. So it's kind of like a green tone to it slightly, and then definitely a purplish blue. So I think I'm gonna try the purple first, or the, excuse me, the bad guy. Okay, we're gonna see how this goes. I've always been one to like layer it, you know what I'm saying, layer it on, but hello back. Can we say Rihanna vibes all day? Can we say Rihanna vibes? Period. Y'all better get into it. Get into it. I just want to say, y'all, like, I don't really do like, you know, these bright colors like this, but you know, a girl might have to step out of her comfort zone. Black Radiance, what are you doing to me? I love it. Icky. We got that off now, and so we're gonna try the Fatal or Femme Fatale. We're gonna see, because I'm kind of trying to figure out how this gonna, you know, how it's gonna show up on my face. Period. Okay, it's presenting more of a black vibe. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on now, lighting. It might be a little green popping in there. Hold on. First of all, let me not neglect to mention how smooth this applicator is. Like, it's like perfectly flat, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is definitely HD. Okay, this is definitely HD. What? I think it definitely has a tint of green. Definitely a little shimmer of green. But what y'all think? Comment below y'all favorite sculptor, okay, between the two. So this is Femme Fatale. The one previous was Bad Girl. It's okay, because Femme Fatale, you know why? Because it's female, and I'm about to kill you with this slay, okay? Kill you, Femme Fatale. I see what y'all did there, Black Radiance. Woohoo! See what y'all did. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more makeup looks from me, make sure you comment below, okay? And thumbs up this video. I don't normally do makeup looks because I feel like I'm not a makeup guru or what have you, but I do my makeup pretty well, I think. So if you guys want to see more, just make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you and if you want more details on the sculptors, as well as the primer and the eyeshadow the eyeliner that I use. All of that info will be in the description box. Make sure you go follow me on my Instagram at LaTrice and hit up Black Radiance for all your makeup needs. Okay, I love you guys, and I will see you guys on the next upload. It is your girl LaTrice, and remember to always protect your peace. About that much. I don't know if y'all can see that. About that much, and then I'm just gonna dab it onto, okay, definitely the wrong eye. Period. Period, sir. Okay, I've been crying apparently. It's so bad, girl, ting, ha. Yeah, cha, cha. This is fitting. Cha. Something going on with my application process here. Did not happen the way I needed it to. It's a bad girl ting, yeah, yeah.